Orange light. Naughty, naughty. Red light. You naughty little f. On their sirens. Yeah, that makes me angry. I wasn't sure which way we're going to go, so I figured stopping is safer. Bloody mobile phone thieves, those guys. Go away.
Walk off, Mikey!
I saw that. I'm going to call the police now.
Walk off, Mikey! Walk on, chief!
Why are you hiding? Horrible little thieves. Get away from me. Get away from me. I will finish you. Mobile phone thieves. They just threw something over here. I'm going to call the police. I didn't want to have my phone out because you can see they're going to try and steal it.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I was scared during that cross.
Hi, my name is Mike Van Erp. I'm on... Police, please. Police. Hi. So I've just come across two suspected mobile phone thieves on sirens, all masked up. They were avoiding some police around Chiswick roundabout. I'm now on the A406 Gunnersbury Avenue, just north of Chiswick's roundabout. Sorry. Yes. All in black, wearing masks, so they're unidentifiable. They were riding those electric siren bikes. I have them on, yeah, the siren, the same as the City of London police are using to catch them. They're northbound on the A406. I did see a lot of police activity and they appeared to be running away from it. No. But I did see them throw a bag, because they saw me videoing them, throw a bag over the bridge into the cemetery. The one just north of Chiswick's roundabout, opposite the Volvo dealership. I'm going to go and try and look for this bag. I'm not going to touch it, don't worry, I'm not going to touch it, but I'll go and try and locate it for you. So I'm literally 200 meters north of the Chiswick roundabout on the A406. Well, there's a Volvo one on the east side of this little bridge. Correct, yes. And then they left going northbound on the A406 shared cycle path. And there's a cycle path on the side of the road. Correct, yes. But of course those bikes are very fast, and it's a few minutes since we've been talking. And Hanger Lane is well to the north, a long way to the north. Yes, so they're probably close to, this is Gunnersbury Lane. There's a crossroad. This is called Gunnersbury Avenue, I think. And I believe there's a crossroads up ahead, Gunnersbury Lane. They'll probably be somewhere around there by now. My name is Mike Van Erp, and I presume you have my mobile number on your screen. Yes, that's it, ma'am. You have all my details already. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye. All right, mate.
Hello, mate.
You didn't see a bag come flying over there, did you?
Bags.
Yeah, I think some mobile phone thieves chucked it. It might be just over there, I don't know. Respect to you, and I'm sorry to disturb your peace. Okay, it's there. So yeah, that was the cop car that just met me in Gunnersbury Park, in the cemetery, I mean. Very nice young coppers. Apparently they've been chasing these Surrey lads all afternoon in the area. That can't be a lot of fun. Horrible bunch of little scroats. I mean the Surrey lads. Also, I hope that thrown property is, I hope someone gets it, and that if it is someone's stolen phone, they get it back to the owner. Watch the complaints of me riding along the pavement. I'm afraid to tell you this is shared use, as you should have seen back there. I'll just give this lady some space. all along here. It's shared use. And here's another sign confirming it. So the whole of this pavement is for use either by pedestrians or cyclists or both.